Well, hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we are on Kerr Scott Reservoir in Wilkesboro, North Carolina. It's a weird thing. I'm up here with three buddies, and here's the deal. We like got a hotel room. We're hanging out up here, and none of them fish. So two of the guys are gonna go mountain biking, which is cool. There's like a cool mountain bike trail out here, so they're gonna be doing that. I got another buddy out here with me. He's just kayaking. He's not actually fishing, but I guess he likes nature. I don't know what that's about, but anyways, let's go see if we can catch some fish.
Well, I ain't got no money.
Well, he ain't got no money.
And a slap run out of beans.
And a slap run out of beans.
And the kids are getting hungry.
And the kids are getting hungry.
I can tell you what that means.
I can tell you what that means.
River rats.
River rats.
And cooler stew.
And cool stew.
Baby, that's what I'm cooking you.
What I'm cooking you.
River rats.
River rats.
And cooler stew.
And cool stew.
Baby, that's
Baby,
what I'm cooking you.
what I'm cooking you.
You can see all those little mini tornadoes. Here's what we got going on today, as evidenced by the little fog tornadoes. We had a massive cold front come through yesterday. Yesterday was 70 degrees and beautiful. Woke up this morning and it was 38 degrees. So, I don't know what is going on fishing wise. Hopefully we'll be able to round something up, but that's kind of the difficulty we're dealing with at the moment. Stay tuned. There we go, finally. Woo. Popped off. Woo. That's a nice fish there. All right, man. First fish of the day. Kerr Scott. Look at that guy. That's a nice fish. All right. Let's get him back in the water here. Yeah, that's a healthy fish, man. Quick midday update. I just got a call from my buddy that's out here on the lake. He's in his real life is a flight nurse. Like he flies like in the helicopters when they medevac people out and stuff. He calls me and says, "Hey, I just got a call from the guys that are out on the mountain biking." I said, "Really?" I said, "Well, what did they have to say?" He's like, "Well," he called and said, "What do I do for a dislocated shoulder?" I don't. So that's how their day is going. The mountain bike, the two guys that are out mountain biking, apparently one of them fell off the bike and has messed up his shoulder, which is terrible. But that's another reason why I don't mountain bike. And now it's time for tackle roundup. Today's been a struggle, I'm not gonna lie. As stated earlier, the conditions aren't exactly ideal in that it's pretty cold. It's pretty cold out. The only bite that I have gotten today has been on this. This is I believe it's Booyah, but I believe the name of it is, I think it's Counter Strike. I think that's what it's called. Double willow blade, 3/8 ounce, white with like a red skirt, like it's got red mixed in there, and then as a trailer That's kind of like my go-to trailer, is the Booyah, not Booyah, that is the Big Bite Baits cane thumper. And I believe that's some kind of chartreusey color. That's been it. I've thrown just about everything at this point, and this has been the only bite I had. So I don't know what's going to happen. So as always, if you'd like to be featured as the guest on Tackle Roundup, you can click this little box, what side, up here, and there'll be some instructions as far as how to be featured in Tackle Roundup. But I'm going to hit the water again, and that concludes today's Tackle Roundup. Well, hey guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up for today's episode. Had a really good time out here on Kerr Scott. It's a really cool lake. Wish I had caught some more fish than I did. However, I don't think that is the problem with the lake. I think that's just you know how it is. These fluke weather things just throw a damper into things. But had a really good time. The one fish that I did catch was a nice, wasn't huge, but it was nice and healthy. That's good to see. Also, I'm cutting it a little bit shorter than I would have liked. I was anticipating staying out longer than I did, but you know, I kind of made a joke earlier about the dislocated shoulder, but I suspect that my buddy will be getting out of urgent care some point soon. I mean, you know how it is. You get hurt or something and it takes 3 hours for you to see the doctor, but he should be pretty close to getting out. So I'm gonna go check up on him, see how he's doing. Again, if you'd like to know more about this particular lake or the lures or anything that I used today, you can look down in the description box. I'm going to put some additional information down there. While you're there, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. The channel is updated every week with new fishing content and new fishing adventures. So I'll be seeing you next week. This is Josh, and this is Abide Fishing. Into the ramp, I just threw a crankbait out to the side and caught a little spot, so that's cool.